Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. I literally just got this product. Literally 10 minutes ago, the UPS driver just dropped it off. I was working on loading everything for my move-in for tomorrow. I'm moving back to Harvard tomorrow for sophomore year. So I've been moving everything into my car. And I've been waiting the entire day for this wagon here, which is the focus of today's video. This Max Sports Folding Wagon XL. And so the reason that we got this is because my dorm is going to be on the 4th floor of my house, Winthrop House. And so we need some sort of transportation mode, which is this wagon right here, to get all of my stuff up there easily. Of course, I have the help of my brother Fikri and my parents, but to make the job a bit easier on them, we got this rolling cart. And while you take a look at the box, I'll tell you the way that we found out about this is actually through helping my brother Miro move to his new apartment. Because on that way, his wife, Nurul, she brought out this folding wagon. It was a blue, also Max Sports wagon. And my dad thought, oh, that's pretty cool. And he told me, hey, Aiman, you should get this for when you move in. And I was like, okay, I'll look into it. And of course, we looked on Amazon for other, generic wagons to see if there's any cheaper ones. But every time, we came back to Mac Wagon. And instead of getting the Mac Wagon Max Sports that Nurul had, we decided to go for a bigger and better. We decided to go for the XL one. So this one is called the XL. The original one holds about 150 pounds and it's a bit smaller. The one I have here holds 300 pounds and it's a bit bigger. Okay, so just to give you a sense of how big it is, I mean, I could fit inside of this very easily. I have no doubt that a full-grown adult could sit inside of it. And it also supports my weight pretty well, which shouldn't be hard because I'm like 100 pounds. But as you can see, it's pretty sizable. Another cool thing about this wagon is that it also folds. And so if you pull here, then the wagon comes out easily. And you're able to clip it closed and take the handles and wrap them around each other and Velcro it. The Mac Wagon XL also comes with a net that you can wrap over the top of it to keep things from coming out, which you can see it on this image here. And also the handle here is both retractable, or you can lock it in place and unlock it, and it's also retractable. And you can lock it in place while it's retracted. Now this is in contrast to the normal version, which I've heard doesn't have that ability to lock it in place, but it does. I mean, it has that ability to lock it in place, but it doesn't have the ability to lock the retraction or extension. On the bottom, you can see that we have humongous wheels. The one that Nurul had has, smaller, more normal cart wheels, but this one has like huge, like a monster truck, a toy monster truck wheel, basically. It's pretty sturdy. The thing is, it's not actually rubber, it's plastic. So I've seen some reviews online that say, oh, it doesn't work well in sand. So your mileage may vary, but since I'm using this in my dorm, it won't matter to me. It would have been nice if they went for an extra touch and made this rubber, but plastic's okay too. And it also rolls pretty well. I have seen reviews online that say that with a lot of weight in it, it might not roll as easily. But so far, we've had a good experience with it. I've used it to load some stuff in this car already. Let's see, what else can I talk about? I mean, there's cup holders on the front. Not really, I mean, a pocket on the front, but not really notable. Back pocket. Let's take a look at the bottom side for you. Okay, so you can see how the mechanism works. The weight of the object keeps this closed, but as soon as you don't have something pressing it down, it starts retracting. So very cool. And when you pull up on that hook, you can see how it retracts. So we got this from Costco actually for about $90. And it's cool that we got that because originally we did our research for wagons on Amazon. That's our usual place to buy stuff. And most of the cheap ones were small, so we didn't go for them. They were generic, you know. But the Max Sports wagon that we were looking at that Neural had, that was about $120 for the regular one. And so we were like, okay, that's a bit expensive. Is there anywhere else we can buy this? So we looked at Walmart, and then we looked at Costco. And apparently Neural got this on sale at Costco, I think. And so we were like, okay, we have to get this because at Costco, it was $90. I think on Amazon, this is about $130. So if you want to buy it, I suggest you go to Costco. If you go in person, they probably have a sale on it, or you can get it delivered. I wouldn't recommend you get this on Amazon because it's expensive, more like $30 more expensive, but if you do, the link will be in the description. But so far, we're pretty happy with this wagon. Of course, we've only had it for like 20 minutes, but if we have any problems with it, then we'll let you know. And maybe when we move into my dorm, you'll see some clips of me using it to move my stuff. And I mentioned earlier in the video that I am packing up so that I can move into my dorm at Harvard. And recently I uploaded a few videos showing me moving into Harvard. And so a lot of people might be under the impression that I just got into Harvard and I'm a freshman. I'm actually a sophomore going into Harvard, going into my year now. And the reason that I've uploaded those videos now is so that I can keep where I lived freshman year a bit more private, so that, just for privacy reasons and security reasons. So that's why I've decided to upload those videos later. So those move-in videos for this year, they might be uploaded at the end of next year. So we'll see. As you can see, there's not a lot of stuff in the car. That's because today it's like Tuesday, Wednesday, and my parents told me that they want to bring the rest of my stuff and my roommate's stuff because he asked me to take some of his stuff on the weekend. And so that's why I'm not bringing. I mean, this is a lot, but that's why I'm not bringing as much as I did the first time around. But anyway, not to detract from the rest of the video. This was sort of like a one-off video. Like I just did it spur of the moment because we got it. And this is a very cool wagon. I definitely recommend it. If you've had any experiences with it, please let us know in the comments down below how it was. I actually had a debate between getting this one or the extra long one. It's not the XL one. It's the Max Sports Extended. I forgot what it's called, but it's a longer version of the regular one. But I ended up getting this one just because it seemed like it supported more weight. But anyway, I'm Aiman, and that was today's video on the Max Sports Wagon XL. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, like other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the product review videos, and also my Harvard videos. And I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.